Aries. This is Akansha from Antanana Tarot Reading, presenting your mid-month readings for July 2016. So let's see what Aries has for the rest of the days for July 2016. Find out the messages, the answers, and whatever is troubling you, whatever is there in your mind, let's find what you should do and what you should not do. Let's get the messages through the cards and start your reading. Okay, so this is the card which I have pulled for you. This is the intention card. Now, what this card suggests is for the rest of the days, that is from July 16th to the end of July, you should be clear with your intentions. Whatever motives, whatever goals are there in your mind, you should be clear with your goals, because universe needs a direct message, a direct wish, and universe always asks us that we should be very clear with our thoughts. Whatever we are feeling, that is actually being sent to the universe, and the universe responds accordingly. So if you have some motive, if you want something in your life, then you have to be very clear with that thing, and you should have very positive outlook in that situation. If you feel negative, then definitely you will get negative things in your life. You will attract negativity in your life. So what all is desired is you should be very clear, your goal should be very clear, and your intentions should be clear. What you are asking for, you should be clear that which path you are opting and to which destination it will lead you. So you have to be that clear and transparent in case of your goals, in case of your wishes, your dreams, whatever you want to achieve in life, what kind of relationship you want to have, what kind of career you want to have, which subject you should opt if you are studying. So whatever it is, any situation which is actually right now important to you, you have to be clear with that. So have a very positive intention, believe that you will receive what you are asking for, and I'm sure you will be very happy after receiving the same. So this was all for Aries from for the mid-month July. And you can follow me. By the time, you can also visit my online store. You can find different kind of readings available for you, which can be done via Skype, via Gmail, via YouTube. So have fun, guys, and be very clear for the rest of the time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.